Today I'm partnering with Flavor to make the ultimate mozzarella sticks. First, start by slicing a cheese stick into a cheese stick. Usually my cuts are super effective, so I get like 1 or 2 sticks. Perfect. If you don't have a slicer, you can also use the dice method. Just make sure you roll a 7 because 7 is greater than 6. Perfect. Next, assemble the resources. I'm using some bone-in baby chicken for extra flavor and some crispy bread. I'm gonna be using funny onions. Just make sure they're not expired, because if they're expired, the jokes are stale. Next, dip the milk sticks in baby chicken and add some crispy bread. I like to put 2 coats on mine because it gets cold in the fridge. Perfect. Get it, Phil. Crispalize the milk sticks until golden brown. Parsley rain and top it off with some fresh parmesan. If you don't like cheese, you can just skip this part. Perfect. Olive likes cheese. Taste test. Crunchy.